has this cool swing. He doesn't use it all the time, but it's there when he does. When we were painting this back wall, my son was able to help, and so that was just so much fun for him to do. Hey friends, welcome back to another video. My name is Julie, and today we are in my son Hudson's room. A few years ago we moved into this temporary place, and my son was really into collecting pocket knives. So I wanted to create something cooler than just having a small little display case on the wall. I wanted to make a whole wall where he could display some of those knives. So I'm going to turn you around and tell you a little bit more in depth of how we did this process. Okay, so his room is not huge. This was a former woodworking shop that we turned into a home. We had sold our previous house and we traveled in an RV for a while. And so we wanted to make this a more temporary place, so we renovated it until we can build again. And so his room is probably my favorite areas of the house. And I just love the slope of the ceiling. It has so much character. I wasn't filming at the time, but I do have some video that I'm going to put up just from the phone that I will place on here. When we were painting this back wall, my son was able to help, and so that was just so much fun for him to do. And so we painted this back wall Sherwin-Williams Courtyard green. We let him pick out the color. Even before we started this space, we went on floorplanner.com. I will also put up some video of that, of him picking out what kind of design that he wanted and the colors of his room. And so I think we got pretty close to what he was wanting. And so I'm so proud of all of the team effort that went into this. And so my husband just put up these trim pieces in the form of a grid. And then it worked perfectly to be able to have a shelf area to display all of his knives. And to give you just a little bit more of an overview of his room, he has this cool swing. He doesn't use it all the time, but it's there when he does. And so that's fun. I always wanted a swing in my room growing up, so I think that's so unfair. His bedroom furniture, the bed frame came from Plank and Beam, and also his side table there. I really love the natural wood colors in here. I just think it looks really good. It pops with the green color accent wall. I believe his desk came from Amazon. And then turn you around here. This is a smaller space, but we were able to still get a closet in here. He has 4 doors. It is a little bit on the short side, but because we couldn't have a traditional closet, my husband was able to just create a space inside the rafters. And so he's still able, he has plenty of room to still hang shirts and pants and keep some of his shoes and extra toys in there. Also for these handles, we wanted to dress it up a little bit, and these leather handles came from Amazon. And then of course you can't have a boy's room without a basketball goal. So he's got that up there. And then his TV where he can play video games. And then I'm not sure, I'm going to have to look on this console table where we got that. I think that may have came from Amazon, but I will double check. And I will try to link everything down below that I can find. And then his sheets, these are his favorite sheets. He even keeps them on in the summertime, and they're more of a thicker, fuzzy material. And those came from Amazon as well. Alright friends, thank you so much for watching today's video. I know this was a little bit of a shorter one, but I wanted to come up here and show you this fun space. I love that my son can still grow in this room. He still loves the colors. He's 14 now, and even if his idea of what he likes to collect changes, he can always display something else up there, maybe fishing, who knows. So let me know down in the comments down below, do you have a favorite collection? And let me know how you're displaying those items. I would love to hear from you. And thank you so much for all the love and support. If you would please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Be sure to check out our other video all about this renovation, and come join me in the next video. We are going shopping at IKEA.